In this video, I'll show you how to export and import favorites in Camtasia. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Let's assume you have a specific workflow where you use a number of favorites that you've already added to the favorites folder. Let's assume something like this. And you can always go maybe to your annotations, just click maybe on that, click on that, click on that. And now once you're in your favorites folder, you'll always see them there. Now, let's assume you're changing machines. You don't need to keep selecting all these options, or maybe you want to send your favorites to somebody else so that maybe you want to go use their computer to edit and they don't have any favorites set. You want to use your own. Now, it's really simple. And all we need to do to export our favorites is go to File, Export, Package, Control-Shift-A. And once you do that, you can export templates, themes, libraries, shortcuts, favorites. Really, really awesome, especially when it comes to shortcuts, especially what you use. Click on favorites and then click on select all, my favorites, and then click on export. You'll be prompted to save, and you can save it in a name that you'll remember, new favs or whatever, and then click on save. Once you click on save, it's going to pop up and show you where they are. And if you'd like to import them to a new installation or maybe a new unit, you can just double click on them. But instead of that, you can also come to File, Import, Package, Control-Shift-P, and click on New Favs, and then click on Open. And once you do that, you'll get a new dialog box. Do you want to replace your current favorites with the imported favorites? You can say Apply to All, Replace. The package new files was finished importing and it's installed. Click OK. Now, you may not see any change because we already had the same favorites. But simply put, that is how you can export and import favorites, themes, templates, shortcuts in Camtasia. Super simple. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.